Hi guys, now today I've got another unboxing and first impressions of another pair of earbuds. And today I've got the JBL Reflect Mini. Now these are not Bluetooth, these are corded earbuds. But what's really cool about them is that these these actually come with ear tips that are designed to fit it snugly in the ear without falling out. They're guaranteed to never fall out. Well, and they're also waterproof and sweat-proof and have noise isolation. So let's get into them and test them out. Oh. So here are the earbuds. So here are the extra ear tips, and as you can see, with these do actually come with ear wings. They actually come with ear wings to keep them in place, which is really nice. Now, here are the earbuds themselves, and they're super lightweight, very light. Now, they come with your standard mic and remote to take calls and control your music. And the first feel, they're actually really comfortable. They seem like they're going to block out the noise really well. And the jack is like at an angle, so it can fit in your cases. This is easier, and it'll fit in your pocket better overall. Well, now the cable is also made of a reflectant material, so if you're running at night, or you're out at night, cars will be able to see the cable really easily, which is really nice thing. And so so overall, that's my unboxing of the JBL Reflect Mini. I will get back to you guys and make a review video in a few days, letting you know how I like them. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll be back within a few days with the review. Thank you for watching, and make sure to rate and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just comment, and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.